Hi, this is Abe, and in this video I'm going to talk about non-equijoins in Oracle Database. I'll look at the syntax and then run through an example. So far, all the joins I've done in previous videos have been equijoins. In other words, the joins have used columns containing common data values among the joined tables, and joined rows in the tables based on finding equal values in the joined columns. So for non-equijoins, those relate one row to another by way of non-equal comparisons, such as comparisons of greater or lesser value, or perhaps comparisons that look for a range of values. So let's look at the syntax, basically a select statement, followed by the column names, and then keyword from, and provide the first table name, keywords inner join, and then provide the second table name, and then for our join condition, keyword on, provide the first column name, followed by a comparison operator, such as less than or greater than or between, and then provide the second column name and end that with a semicolon. Now I've already got my SQL Developer application open. I'm connected to my database. I'm going to use my HR account for this video. So I'm going to create a couple tables with some sample data. I'll include this on my blog as well, which I'll link to in the description box below. I'm going to run that. Just do a refresh here. So I've got these two tables. So those two tables I just created, the scores table for instance, lists some actual scores on exams, and then the grading table here contains information about grading criteria. So in the scores table I have a row of data showing that the test identified by score ID 1 as 95, which according to the grading criteria table should be an A. So as part of my example, I'm going to do a select statement to have that determine it for me. So I'll kick off my select statement. Select column names. I'm going to start from the scores table. Score ID S test score, and then G grade. And I'm using table aliases, which I've discussed in previous videos, so have a look at that if you'd like. From, the table names is scores. That's the alias. I'm going to do an inner join, and grading is the second table. And then the alias for that is G, and then followed by my on keyword, S, test, score, and here's our comparison operators. So I want this to be between G, score, min table, or column, and G, score, max, semicolon. So in this example, it's a typical join syntax, but instead of equijoin, I connect the two tables by comparing the value in the test scores column of scores and see if it's between the values for the grading table score min and score max columns. I'm going to go ahead and run that, so Control Enter, and our results. Basically a 95 is an A, 83 is an B, and 55 is an E. And to verify that, if we look at the grading table and look at the data tab, so an A is between 90 and 100, B is 80 and 89, and so on. And those results certainly fall in those ranges. So there you have it. Talked about non-equijoins, went through an example. I'll be posting this script along with the table creation script that I used earlier onto my blog, which I'll link to in the description box below. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, like, and share, and see you later.